In this video, I will show how to make Nothing Music bot. Let's start. Upload the code in your bot hosting and make NoDJs version 20 from startup. And to get code, join Silent Store Discord and go to YouTube category in that White Stuff access. To verify, take image of subscribing to Silent Store channel and upload. You will get access and go to stuff and download. I will upload when video will be uploaded. If you don't have any server, so you can try Heaven Cloud, they give free server. After that, come to file and upload the folder and that unarchive and delete zip folder and go to SRC. In that config to get your bot token, come Discord, developer portal, link in description. After that, click new application and put bot and an APC sep there. Term and click, create and verify, you are a human, and upload bot profile you want, and come to auth and copy client ID, and come to this emoji server, link in decryption, and write SL, invite bot client, ID, and click in, invite button and invite bot. After that, come to Discord, developer portal again, and go to bot, and upload banner if you want, and go down, and enable these three, and save changes after that. Click reset token, and click yes, and copy bot token, and paste it here after that. Go to developer portal again, and go to auth, and copy client, ID again, and paste it here, and go to Discord, and copy your user, ID, and paste it here, and change bot prefix if you want. Default is exclamation point, and put your support server, link and save changes. After that, come to SRC again, and come to command. And in that general, in that help, there add footer as a watermark, you can write that you want, and go down and put bot, invite link to get invite link. Come to developer portal again, and auth in that down, and select bot and applications.commands. And in perm, you can select that you want, and copy the link and paste it here. And come down, and paste here also, and paste your support server, link here. After that, save changes. After that, go to console and start. And after bot started, invite your bot to your server and test it. You can see all commands are working, and you can see emoji also, and all things. So, like and subscribe, and see you in next video.